everybody, welcome back to Beth Unboxes. I'm Beth and this is my sister Krista.
Hello.
And it is time for the October P.LOUISE box. It comes in November. So this is the fall edition. How cute is that? Orange and leaves in fall. Oh, what's it say on the front? Falling for P.LOUISE, it's time to turn a new leaf. Oh, how cute. And it has leaves all over it and scarves and all kinds of fun fall things.
That's adorable.
So before we get into this box, we have some news, good news, etc., other news. So this box is the second box that we've gotten since they started adding duties to the website orders from the UK. Last month, I told you guys, I called them as soon as I started seeing that they were charging duties. They told me there would not be duties on the budget box, and if I was charged duties, they would refund me. When I got the confirmation for this order, it showed the box and the shipping. It was fine. I waited. I saw the charge on my card and it was $70-something. And I went back to the order and they had added $21 in duties for my budget box. I immediately emailed P.LOUISE and I said, I was told blah, blah, blah. And they said, well, we can't refund it and we have to charge it because we're charged it, which I understand. But they said to avoid future duties on the budget box, you can, if you live in the United States, switch your subscription to the US website, which would have been nice if they had sent an email to their US subscribers to say, hey, before you charge $21 extra, switch your subscription around. But they were very helpful in other ways. They went ahead and I told them I still wanted to get this box, even though it was going to cost more. This is now a $71 box. But I did not want to get charged the next time around. So they suspended my subscription or stopped it on the UK side. I will resubscribe on the US site, but if you're a US resident and you're subscribed to the P.LOUISE budget box, switch it. They actually offered to, if your box hasn't shipped yet, they had offered to actually cancel this box if I wanted to.
You wouldn't get it at all.
You wouldn't get it, and it's too late to have gotten it from the other box, so this would have been a full skip. But I wanted this box enough to go ahead and just pay the extra. And so I said, leave it. But for the box for November, if we want to get the box that actually bills in November and ships in December, we would have to resubscribe on the US site. We're not sure we're going to do that yet because we're not sure we want all the stuff that's in that box.
It's really cool stuff.
It is very cool stuff.
As always, we love it.
I think it's skincare heavy and different things,
and
which
we have a
closet full. One of these days, I will show you the back stock of P.LOUISE we have. If you're interested in knowing what the back stock of P.LOUISE looks like when you've had the subscription for a couple of years and get random other stuff throughout, let me know. I will show you. But for today, we've got this one. And I'm also going to be doing another video on alternative ways to access P.LOUISE. So be looking for that. Before we get into this box, I'm asking on a lot of my videos, help me build back up my channel. I have fallen so far off the YouTube radar. It's not even funny. If you love watching unboxing videos and you like mine at all, I would love for you to hit like, hit subscribe if you haven't yet. Share it with your family and friends. Share the video. Sharing the video helps. Leave me a comment. I do respond to every single comment that I get, even if you just say hi Beth or thanks for sharing or whatever. It will really help get me back on the algorithm to get my videos more out there from YouTube. I would appreciate it. Let's see what's inside this one. So I'm going to rip the tab. I've been doing all the talking. What do you want to say about P.LOUISE while I rip the tab open?
I love P.LOUISE. It's amazing. I love all their products.
This is an extra hard one to rip off. Oh.
It's well secured.
Yeah. Okay, we got it.
Now let's see what's inside.
Ta-da!
Oh, look at all the cool fall themed stuff.
It's very cute. Ooh, It's full. I knew it was going to have a lot of stuff. We knew it was in it. We knew what was going to be in this box. They're doing really good at showing you ahead of time so you can suspend your subscription, which we've talked about before, or choose to continue to get the box versus complaining about what you got that you didn't need or didn't want. So
I don't ever complain about getting stuff I don't need or don't want because I want it all.
The only box we really had to complain about was the one that was brows only.
And then found out it was
tremendous. I got my brows on today from that box. So.
I mean, we use a brow product all the time. And it wasn't because they were bad products.
It was just a lot of brows.
But let me tell you, I wish they were all in my one color because I love it.
The only bad thing was that you got 5 or 6 different colors. But I know it's
for MUA, so it's that's why. So
again, in case we haven't mentioned that in a while, that's what P.LOUISE targets is people who are building their makeup artist back, stock, so you can do makeup as a profession. It's not, although private people can do it, obviously. It's more geared for somebody who does makeup as a profession.
Yeah.
So we're going to show you stuff.
I'm going to start ripping it open.
Yeah, Krista's like, stop talking and open the box.
It is.
Okay, what are these ones? These are called Smitten Sticks. And this one's Harvest Blush. Cream blush. These are cream blush sticks.
Well, I don't know if are they all that way?
Yeah, they're all cream blush sticks.
I got 3 of them, people. 3.
So this one is called Harvest Blush. We're not going to swatch them. I'm just going to show you. So this one's kind of orangey peachy one. Very pretty.
Open the next one. Look at this color.
Oh, let me see.
What's the color?
Show.
This is the bottom.
Falling for You.
Falling for You.
And this one is called
And look
Cozy.
at the color. Look how deep that. Oh, I'm going to love this color for this fall.
This one's called Cozy Season, SZN.
I'm going to twist this one up.
And this
look how beautiful that is.
Ooh, that's gorgeous. This one's a neutral movie color. I'll go ahead and pop the top off the other one.
I'm gonna be using all 3 of these colors. Oh my gosh. 3 blushes.
And this one's a really pretty peachy.
Ooh, that's a nice fall
So let's show
color.
all 3 together. We're going to show you all 3 of them together.
Look at these gorgeous colors.
I love
people.
this red one.
Oh, it's like a burgundy.
It's pretty.
Red.
These are great fall colors.
Oh, these are all excellent fall colors. I'm going to be trying them all and seeing which ones look good on me and which ones look better.
All right, what's next?
Let me put this away.
I want to show you the next one because I'm the lotion person. Krista told me today and she was really excited. How long did it take you to go through a tiny thing of hand lotion?
A year.
A year. I go through like a zillion a year. So I get the hand lotions in these boxes. So this one is it's a hand cream, a helping hand, and it's called Sweet Maple. Oh, Sweet Maple. Oh, it's sealed.
Okay.
Oh, that came off. I really can't smell it. Can you smell it?
Oh, it's a very, 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 very faint scent, so it's not going to be overpowering.
It's nice.
Because I have one of these of another toffee or something in my purse that I carried. It might have been even popcorn. So I forget, nice. But I keep it in my purse for extra. So
and it's got a little keychain. You can hook it inside your purse. Fun. All right,
and next, Once Upon a Lime.
And I know you'll never guess what's in this one.
Smudge proof, waterproof, transfer proof.
Are these eyeliners?
Easy
right?
Glide single swipe application. A fairy tale.
I think these are lip
finish.
Liners. Are these lip liners or eyeliners?
I think these are eyeliners, but we're gonna find out.
We're gonna find out.
Yeah, these are the eyeliners. And look at these gorgeous colors for fall.
Ooh.
Oh my goodness, look.
Those match with the blushes really well.
Oh, I'm gonna like these eyeliners.
I have to fix the brightness every now and then.
Let me try to
push them through that.
Pop one out.
Ooh, the gold one.
I know,
or coppery colored.
That's the one I want to see first.
They're really in here.
Which is good for shipping. And don't break it.
There.
So I just want to pop the lid off.
Ooh, they're twist ups. I love that they're twist ups and not stupid sharpenables.
Well, let's see.
Pretty.
Oh, that's a gorgeous color.
These are
and I swiped it.
Dark brown and medium brown.
But oh gosh, these are gonna be gorgeous with those blushes and the fall colors. And what's next? Oh.
Okay, I'm just gonna move the box out of the way because we need space.
Look at the palette.
This is called My Forever Fall. Spice up your life with P.LOUISE.
And it's raised.
It's really pretty.
I love texture, so.
Yes, it's very textury. I forgot it was a notebook.
I love the notebooks, and I like the jewelry box ones.
They come so well packaged.
Look,
I'll let Krista turn the pages while I hold it.
Oh, I love P.LOUISE. There's the mirror. Oh my gosh, look at the color palette.
I love it.
Oh, look at oh my gosh.
And this is an eye and face palette. So even though obviously these are highlighters, you could use some of these colors for blushes if you wanted to. Some
look
of the
at all those
colors.
gorgeous colors, the greens and maroons and oranges and
this is your fall in one palette.
Oh yes. Oh, they're beautiful. Oh my goodness.
Oh.
I had another one of the palettes that was a train themed one from the Christmas, and I was using one of the colors in it for that was for highlighter for eyeshadow. So you can use them for anything.
Look at the impressions on them. The top one says autumn, the top silver one, and then you have an umbrella and just leaves and all the little palettes. Most of the palettes have an impression of really cute designs. Love. So this box,
And look at the print around the mirror. She
It's
even
so cute.
printed the mirror. Oh my gosh, it's adorable.
I gotta fix the brightness again. So I did go to the
So
U.S.
Krista
website. Krista's excited. I did go to the U.S. website to see.
I have shirts with these colors. I'm gonna be wearing it tomorrow.
I did go. Are you done?
Yes.
I did go to the U.S. website to see, because right now, before they canceled it, which if we resubscribed it would be more expensive, we were paying $39 for the box and like $9 to $12 shipping. So it was $49 to $52 a month. It costs more on the U.S. site. I think with shipping it was going to be like $58. So not a lot more, but certainly less than $71. So it's not as good of a deal, but it is from the
Still a
U.S.
better
shipping.
deal than having to pay all that the
Yes.
tariff fees. So
And hopefully they will build up the warehouse in the
They're
U.S.
trying.
to get it more U.S. user friendly.
yes,
So-
watch Ballard their U.S. site on TikTok because when they
Yes.
do come on, they have lots of bundle deals and specials and giveaways, and they all ship from the U.S. site
Yes.
warehouse. So
This was a fun one.
Oh,
We're so
I
glad that
loved
we
it.
kept this one. It has how many things? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 things. If you don't count, even if you count all these as one, that's a lot. So we got the hand lotion, the blushes, the palette, and the eyeliners in our box. Even though it was $71, hurts me a little bit, but I love it. It's very cute.
I'm happy I got it. I would have been sad.
Yes, this would have been a FOMO one for sure. We would have been like, why didn't we get it?
Yeah, if I didn't get it, I would have been
Yes.
sad. I tried to figure out how she was going to make it up to me for not getting it.
And yeah, once these sell out, they're gone. You can still buy the one that ships next month that you can buy this month, the November box. You can buy it as a standalone box or subscribe, but there's no reason to buy it as a standalone box when you can suspend your subscription.
Yeah.
If you want it, just do the subscription, suspend it for December if you don't want another one, because it's a lot cheaper. But that was our P.LOUISE box for this month. I hope you guys loved it. If you did, hit like, hit subscribe if you haven't yet. But for now, from Beth and Krista, have a great rest of your day.
Bye.
Bye.